Hi Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame Soulmate and Love Connection Energy reading for the month of November 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. Libra, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. If this message does not resonate with you, Libra, please kindly consider checking out your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. Also, Libra, on today's reading, I'm going to be checking out both your energy and your person energy. And then we're also going to be looking at the overall crowning energy for both you and your person throughout the month of November 2021. So let's start with the reading here. On this side here, Libra, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the energy or the rules can be interchangeable and vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Libra, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Let's start with your reading here, Libra. I've got the Seven of Swords energy coming up here, the Justice and the Knight of Pentacles. First of all here, Libra, I'm getting a very strong legal energy coming up here surrounding yourself. So some of you here, Libra, might be dealing with a certain legal system. I would say here could be something related to the law, could also be something related to divorce, separation, child support, child custody issue coming up here quite strongly. For those of you who are currently dealing with a certain legality or law related situation here, this justice energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Libra, is indicating that everything will be moving forward into your own favor. Another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Libra, with this Knight of Pentacles energy here, a little bit of slow process or slow moving energy coming up. Yeah, I feel like some of you here, Libra, have been waiting for quite a while. The Knight of Pentacles energy coming up here, you are trying to keep yourself optimistic as much as you can. I would say here, Libra, like you're trying to keep on, like be grounded in faith. You are trying to keep being optimistic here, but for some reason, every time that you move, every time that you are waiting for any news, for any communication, for example here, you would always be disappointed is what I'm getting coming up. So this is more like you are questioning yourself here, Libra. How long should you be waiting anymore? What is the next step that you need to be doing? Because with this Knight of Pentacles energy coming up here, I do get a very slow process, and I feel like some of you, Libra, have been actually waiting for quite a long time here to even like just get text messages, or even like to be with your person. Some of you here who are still single have been waiting for quite a while to be in a relationship is also another thing that I've got coming up here. Another thing that I've got coming in for you here, Libra, especially with this Seven of Swords energy here, feeling defeated. For some reason, I'm getting here that you have been going through a lot of feeling defeated energy in general. I feel like this is specifically for those of you who are currently in a separation here, Libra. Like you are questioning yourself, what had happened, where did it go wrong? Some of you here have been blaming up yourself. Some of you here are still trying to find a reason, are still trying to find an answer, like what had happened, what could you have done differently, what you need to be doing here. There are a lot of questions that I'm getting coming up quite strongly from your side here, Libra. Overall energy that I've got coming up for you here with the Six of Pentacles energy, you're trying as much as you can to keep yourself balanced, to keep yourself stable. But again, just as a normal human being here, sometimes you feel down, sometimes you feel drained, frustrated, and this is one of the time is what I'm getting coming up here. So I feel like the month of November here will be the time where there are going to be a little bit of up and down is what I'm getting coming up here. Especially pay attention during the moon phases. I would suggest here, Libra, the full moon and the new moon energy, because those the time that you might be getting affected a little too much is what I'm getting coming up here. Overall energy that I'm getting coming in here, that you are trying to stay as much patient as you can, like you're trying to just be patient and you just like trying to be optimistic, but you are asking yourself like, how long am I supposed to endure this, how long am I supposed to wait? So a lot of those question energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here. Now let's start with your person energy. It's also quite interesting because I've got the same energy coming in here for both of you. with this Seven of Swords energy coming up here. So there is a huge mirroring energy is what I'm getting coming in here for both you and your person here, Libra, especially with this Seven of Swords energy coming up here. Another thing that I've got coming in here from your person, Libra, with this Five of Cups energy, a very strong regretful energy and guilty energy coming in here. They know they have done a mistake. They know that they have, like, disappointed you, I would say here, and they are also regretting their own action, the choices, and anything that they might have said to you. Here's what I'm getting coming up here, Libra. But at the same time, I'm also getting a very strong feeling stuck, a lot of stagnancy energy coming up here. Honestly, the whole reading that I've got coming up for you here, Libra, is more towards a slow process energy is what I'm getting coming up here. So if you're waiting for a certain, like, outcome, or like you're waiting for a certain things to happen between you and your partner, be it under separation, or even like some of you who are waiting for new people to come into your life, it may take a while is what I'm getting coming up here. But again, not all hope is lost, because even though that they're currently struggling within themselves, even though they're going through a lot of stuck energy and stagnancy energy within themselves here, Libra, they are feeling regretful and they're feeling guilty. So I think they're starting to realize here what kind of impact that they have made in your life, and what kind of impact that they've made towards you here is what I'm getting. Part of them here is also thinking like, do they still have chance to be with you? Do they still, like, have anything, like, if let's say they come back towards you today and they are communicating with you here, would you still be able to accept them? So those are even the question that they have within themselves. Overall energy that I'm getting coming up here is that a huge regretful energy is what I'm getting coming up here. They're feeling heavily regretful and guilty. Regretful and guilty energy coming up here quite strongly. Another thing that I've got coming in here, Libra, I've got a very strong Three of Pentacles energy coming in here. There is a very strong possibility of a third party situation or karmic situation happening here surrounding you and your person here, Libra. With this Three of Pentacles energy coming in here, this Three of Pentacles, this third party situation here might be another person, could be someone else that they're currently staying with, could be a certain relationship or marriage, but this could also be about toxic family situation or toxic friend situation here. With this Three of Pentacles energy coming in here, they are afraid to be alone is also another thing that I've got coming up here. So it's always like they are trying to find something to do. Some of them here, Libra, could be going through a certain type of addiction. Some of them here could be like throwing themselves into work situation here, like they are afraid of being alone. They're afraid, again, when they are being alone here, this feeling guilty, the regretful energy can be overwhelming for them, and they do not want to face that. So they're trying to distracting their mind with something else is what I'm getting coming up here. I've also got the Eight of Wands energy coming up here. They are definitely have been thinking about you. There is no doubt on that. But they are like planning up their actions is what I'm getting coming up here. So your person here, Libra, what I'm getting is that they are more towards someone who tend to be like planning more rather than just like do it and see what comes in. So they are more into like someone that is actually good with planning is what I'm getting coming up here. The overall energy between both you and your person throughout the month of November, here I've got conflict. Like I said before, this conflicted energy, unnecessary conflict that may arise between both of you or even had already happened in the past, may still continue throughout the month of November. Like I said before, a little bit of slow process and slow moving energy. So patience and balance are definitely needed between both of you here, Libra, is what I'm getting. That's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye-bye.